Alright, there it is. We just pulled out of the driveway. There it is running. Take a close-up shot. We worked a little widgetry, trickery, and sneaky. But we got it running. Got to go over the intercooler plumbing, change the oil and filter again. But there she is, still warming up. Okay, it's been idling for about a minute or so. There's no leaks that we could find, no fuel leaks, no coolant leaks, no oil leaks. I got my fingers crossed because I know these things like to mark their territory. But there we go. I just shot everything. Kind of sitting there open a little bit. There's the interior. There's your laptop to get her tuned. There's my gauges. I'm almost out of gas. There's my gauges on the side. Oil pressure, boost pressure, and sideband. There it is. Brian Crowler, 272 cams. Set to 900 RPMs to idle. Little white smoke coming out. Hopefully we didn't finish the head gasket. No, I'm just kidding. It's probably from the condensation of everything that's in there. But alright, this is for Dafo and Edaran and Frank Rondon, Chameleon, Board Rider, Derek Lou, Cam Lou, Janelle, Brad, Harold. Special thanks to my mom and Harold and Russ for helping me do this. So there it is. We're going to put the hood on it, clean her up and buff it, and then we're going to go over the intercooler plumbing, change the oil, and she's going for a drive. Later. There we go. We're going to set up Brian Crowler, 272 cams on a 2-liter. Not a stroke or anything like that. It's just your basic 2-liter engine. We're breaking her in, letting it run a little bit, trying to warm it up, make sure the thermostat opens and everything, but there it is. Alright, this is a final start before we change the oil with 1000cc injectors. Go ahead, Russ, start out. Got the computer set up, set the correct values. It's idling smooth at 850 RPMs now off 1000 cc's. And it should be good for, I don't know, 30 PSI once it's broken, but that's not going to happen. So, alright, Facebook, I'm out of here.